Good morning students. Students, in this video lecture we are going to solve the numerical problem related to chapter vector which we have finished conceptually. Now we are going to solve the some numerical problems. So you are seeing here, this is the first numerical problem. For what value of small a, vector a equal to 2i plus aj plus k is perpendicular to vector b which is 4i minus 2j minus 2k. So you have given these two vectors are perpendicular. It means the angle between these two vectors is 90. So let's start to solve it. The angle between a and b, let it is theta, and the theta is 90 degree. And we have to find the value of small j which is here in the vector a. So how we would do this type of numerical problem? The problem which is related to angle or it is related to either perpendicular or parallel. So we have to find the dot product. We have to find the dot product. So we have to just find the dot product of these two vectors. So what is the dot product? You know already. Dot product is a dot b equal to, you know, a dot equal to mod a mod b cos theta. This is the formula for the dot product of the two vectors, mod a mod b cos theta, and the theta is here 90 degree. So if you put theta is 90, cos 90, you know cos 90 is what? It is 0. So it means dot product of two vectors when they are perpendicular to each other becomes 0. So we have this equation and we have to just put the vector a and vector b in place of here. So just put the vector a is 2i plus aj plus k vector unit vector dot 4i minus 2j minus 2k equal to 0. And I have already told you what is the dot of I and I, what is the dot of I and j and dot of I and k. The dot of I and I, you know, this is mod of I, and the angle between I and I is 0, so it becomes 1. Mod of I and I is 1. Mod of I dot j, it is 0 because the angle between I and j is 90. They are perpendicular, mutually perpendicular vectors. So unit vectors. So here I dot I gives 1. So we have to consider this product dot product 4 into 2. Magnitude by 8 and I dot I is 1, so it is 8. Now the vector product dot product of I and j is 0, so 4a would not consider because it would become 0. So we have only considered the dot of same vectors, same unit vectors, that is I dot I results 8. In the same way, the dot of j with respect to j, so j dot j is equal to 1 and it is a and it is minus 2. A into minus 2 is minus 2a. In the same way, the dot product of k with respect to k, so k dot k1 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is equal to 0. We have taken only three terms, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, and I dot I, the dot of I with other unit vectors j and k is 0, so we would not consider here because their contribution in the dot is 0. So 2 4s are 8 a into minus 2a, and minus 2 into 1, this is minus 2 equal to 0. 8 minus 2 is 6 minus 2a equal to 0. From here a equal to 6 upon 2 which is 3. So this is the answer of the first numerical problem which you have seen here. Now we are going to proceed our next problem which you are seeing here. So I am going to rub this problem solution. Now the second problem you are seeing here, which is so that mod of a vector plus b vector square minus mod of a minus b square equal to 4a vector dot b vector. You have to prove this statement. So how you will prove this? Let's understand that this square, we cannot use the formula here a square plus b square plus 2ab, because this is the mod of two vectors, and you know that this is the a plus b. Suppose this is a, why we would not use a square plus b square plus 2ab here? I am telling you, this is, let's say this is vector a, and let's say we are interested in adding two vectors geographically, graphically. So we have another vectors, let's say in any direction b, it should be perpendicular in, suppose this is vector b, and I have told you we have started the another vector from the head of the first vector, from its end. It started from here, vector is started from here and is ending from here. Now for addition graphically, we started the next vector from the head of the another vector and in the same direction in which it was. So it was in this direction, so we are making the vector and one vector in the same direction. So this is in this direction. Now this is vector b. So what is a plus b? A plus b is from here to here. This is the a plus b. So this is vector a plus vector b. In general, we are not taking these two vectors in a straight line, we are taking a general case. So this is vector a, this is vector b, they are not in the same pole, they are not collinear, they are not in the same line. So in that case, just tell me that is it a plus b is vector a plus b, the length of the magnitude of a, which is the length of the arrow, the magnitude of b, which is the length of b, is it same a plus b? If you directly add mod of a, which is a, mod of b, which is b, a and b here, not the vector, they are magnitudes, it means length of these two, is it a plus b? And the length of this vector is equal to, whether equal to a plus b or not. The length of this vector means magnitude of a vector plus b vector, is it equal to a plus b? No. Why it is no? Because you are seeing this is a triangle, and in triangle you know the sum of two sides. The sum of two sides. Actually this is a, the length of this side, b, this is the length of this vector at this side in a triangle. If we talk about in a triangle, the sum of these two sides is not equal to the third side, which is greater than the third side. So how it can be equal to? It means how mod a plus b equal to a plus b. Is it true? No. Mod of a plus b, which is the length of this arrow, the length of this vector, which is the length of this arrow, is not equal to a plus b. It means mod is not distributive in addition and subtraction. Mod is not distributive. It means we cannot say that it is mod a plus mod b, which is a plus b. Mod is a, mod is b. So mod is not distributive. So you are seeing by this example that we cannot write magnitude of a plus b equal to a plus b. And if we cannot write magnitude of a plus b, so we cannot say it is a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. I think you have cleared this particular point, very important point. We cannot say that a plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab in this situation. Addition of two vectors and the magnitude of addition resultant is not equal to the a square plus b square plus 2b. So how we would solve this particular numerical problem? We would use another method, another way, so that we can find out the solution of this resultant. So a plus b mod. So if it, how this term mod a plus b whole square? We know that sum of two vectors is also a vector. It means this is a plus b, this is a resultant vector a plus b, and this is the mod of a plus b का whole square. So for this, if we take dot product of two vectors a plus b, this is total. A plus b means addition of two vectors is also vector. So the whole vector, whole is also the vector. Addition of these two is also vector, and we are going to dot product of this vector with itself. Dot product of this vector with itself. Just like suppose we have a vector p, and if we take dot product of vector p with itself, means p dot p. So what is the result? Mod p, magnitude of p, magnitude of p cos 0, because the angle between same vector is 0. And mod p is what? This is mod, we can write mod p square, cos 0 is 1, so it is p dot p. So mod p square is found out by in this way. So in the same way, a plus b dot of a plus b dot of a plus b with itself is equal to finally a plus b mod a plus b whole square. Mod a plus b whole square, because the angle between a plus b vector and a plus b vector is 0. Mod a plus b mod a plus b cos 0 means simply a plus b mod a plus b whole square. In the same way, mod a minus b whole square. So we can write a minus b dot a minus b equal to mod of a minus b whole square. So it is a minus b dot a minus b equal to mod of a minus b whole square. Just put these values of mod a plus b whole square, mod a minus b whole square in this equation in LHS part. So we are going to take LHS, which is mod a plus b whole square minus mod a minus b whole square. So what is a plus b mod a plus b whole square? This is a plus b dot a plus b minus, this is a minus b dot a minus b. Just do the dot product. A dot a, we have seen dot product of the vector with itself is resulting p square mod of p square. So we can also write this as simply p square. We can also write this as simply p square, because mod of vector p is magnitude of p, which is represented as simply p, so it is p square. So in the same way, a dot a, first of all we will do a dot a, which is a square. Now a dot b, we have to write simply a dot b. One more important thing, a dot b, whether b dot a, they are same. In dot product, they are commutative. This is called commutative. Commutative means a dot b and b dot a both are same. A dot b and b dot a both are same in dot product, but not in cross product, because there is a direction. So magnitude a dot b means mod b cos theta, and b dot a is mod a cos theta. If the angle between a and b is theta, here the same result will come, here the same result will come, so they would be equal. It means dot products are commutative. You can say dot products are commutative. Dot products are commutative in nature. Now a square plus a dot b. Now we are going to do the dot of b. So it is a dot b dot b square minus, in bracket a dot a square minus b dot a minus plus minus a dot b minus plus b square. Now open the bracket. This is a square, a dot b, this is 2 a dot b plus b square minus a square minus plus, we can write it as a dot b because they are same, a dot b plus a dot b minus b square. A square cancel out, b square cancel out, a dot b 2ab, which is 4a dot b. So we have proved this particular relation, that mod of a plus b का whole square minus mod of a minus b का whole square is equal to 4a dot b. I think you have cleared this particular numerical problem. Thank you.